Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making banana cream pie. You will need 3 bananas, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2½ cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 pie crust, and whipped cream for topping. Cook the pie crust in the oven for 10 minutes on 350 degrees, then set it aside until later. In a pot, whisk together the sugar, flour, cornstarch, and salt. Turn the burner onto medium heat, then add the milk and eggs, and continue to stir frequently until the pudding has thickened. Now turn off the heat and add the butter and vanilla and mix until well incorporated. Add the bananas to the pie crust, then pour the pudding over the bananas, making sure that the pudding is evenly distributed. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.